Okay, guys, finally got this done. She's pranking on him. I got the shovel. Perfect timing to prank Lucy. So what she doesn't know is I actually bought and had this person send another one just for this video. Shout out to them. Go follow them. Or go subscribe to them down below in the description. I'll make sure to put that down in this description. But this is gonna be hilarious, guys. So sorry about the background noise. You're probably wondering why do I have? Oh, I thought it was this one. Why do I have this shovel? A, someone messaged me. Just kidding, guys. I will not. And B, I have a fan mail play button sitting outside in the yard right now. Lucy has been pranking me a little bit. I mean, she's a freaking dog, but I mean, anything counts. So I'm gonna make her think. Since she is in the channel, she owns the channel. I'm gonna break this play button right now in front of one of them. Fresh beat. Lucy, Sophie, come here. Where's Lucy? That'd be a sick shot if I could get Lucy. I think I'm gonna do it. Wherever Lucy is, come on. Where is Lucy? I'm gonna have to set the camera. I'm gonna do it over here. I'm gonna do it in the front yard. Here's the outside's pretty cold. Oh, here she goes. Here she goes. Here she goes. Sophie, come here. Sophie, come here. Sophie. 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 Come on. Watch this. Oh, yes. It's rolling away. Some of it's in the ground. It's missing. Oh, I love my camera. She can't do anything about that because I got my camera. What did I do? Right here. Some of it's in the ground. We got pieces flung under here. So, Lucy! Where is she? Oh, I'm sneaking. Oh, no, it's in already. I'm not. Oh, where's Lucy? Where's Lucy? I have my camera, so she can't do anything about that. This is the play button. The clear stuff was the outer. I need to put this somewhere. It's not gonna get thrown away. Because I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep this as revenge. Put it right there. Where is she? I wanna prank her. Look, I know she's probably gonna chase me. Yeah, Will agrees. He just shook his head. I'm gonna call her. Lucy! Lucy! Where is she? Sophie's inside, I think. Oh, she might be around in the front porch. Yeah, I'm gonna have to film from a distance. God. Oh, there's Sophie. Sophie! 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 Soph! Lucy! Lucy! Come on, Lucy! Come on, Lucy! Lucy, come on! Come on, Lucy! Come on! Come on, Lucy! Come on! Come on, Lucy! Lucy! Come on! Come on! Oh, yeah. Zena. Lucy, come on. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, Lucy. Sophie. Sophie. Let's go. Come on. Sophie! Sophie! Lucy? Come on out, Luce. You two. Sophie! 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 Come on! Come on, Sophie! Come on! You know you're supposed to be around, right? You know. What are you doing? You can move on my camera. Go film for your channel. Go film for your channel. Oh, Lucy. It's missing out. And you're not there.